Mine is Will. Today I'm going to be working with 8 rings today. I have one ordinary ring. I take 2 of these. I just take them like that, jam that in. Then I take this out, and that goes through. I will take more rings out, and then just put them like that. I'll take that, hook like that. But today, I'm not to do that. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 rings and replace them back here. And then I'm going to take 3 rings and then put that like that. And then take that like that. And take that like that. And then just slowly I take that out. And then that out. And then I take these 2 ordinary rings. And then I take that and like that, and then if I take that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and I grab this and this, I can look and grab this ring, and then just take this ring off like that. My name is Will. Thanks for working with me today.